Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see standard 8th and subject science. In that chapter number 1, chapter name is crop production and management. In the previous video, part 1, part 2 and part 3, we have seen the main answers, long answers. Today we'll see the short answers. Answer the following questions in one sentence. In that, question number 1, in which class are plants classified on the basis of the season? Answer is plants are classified as kharif crops and rabi crops. See the question number 2. How are earthworms and microbes helpful to farmers? Answer is earthworms and microbes turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. Thus, they are helpful to the farmers. See the question number 3. How do the soil organisms add humus into the soil? Answer is the soil organisms decomposes dead plants and animals. Thus, various nutrients held in the dead organisms are released into the soil. Thus, they add humus into the soil. See the question number 4. Mention the types of plough. Answer is there are two types of plough. Number 1, wooden plough, and number 2, iron plough. See the question number 5. What is need before ploughing if the soil is very dry? Answer is if the soil is very dry, it may need watering before ploughing. See the question number 6. Why are seeds covered by the soil during sowing? Answer is seeds are covered by the soil during sowing because this prevents damage caused by birds. See the question number 7. What is the use of a plank? Plank. Answer is the plank is used to break the soil crumbs and level the soil. See the question number 8. If the manure is to be added in the soil, then it should be added to the soil before ploughing the soil. Why? Answer is to increase the fertility of the soil, we add manure to the soil before we sowing the seeds. See the question number 9. What is NPK fertilizers? Answer is a fertilizers containing nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium is called NPK. See the question number 10. State the sources of irrigation. Answer is the sources of irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. See the question number 11. State the name of modern methods of irrigation. Answer is the modern methods of irrigation are number 1 sprinkler system and number 2 drip system. See the question number 12. When should the weedicides be spread? Answer is the weedicides are spread during the vegetative growth of weeds before flowering and seed formation. See the question number 13. State the harvest festivals in India. Answer is the harvest festival in India are Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali, Nabanya and Bihu are the harvest festival in India. Define number 1 ploughing. Ploughing is the process of breaking, loosening the soil and turning it over for uprooting weeds and aerating the soil. See the question number 2. Fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called fertilizer. See the number 3. Irrigation. The supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. See the number 4. Weeding. Answer is the process of removal of weeds is called weeding. Number 5. Harvesting. Answer is the cutting of crop after it is mature. It is called harvesting. Now we will see the filling in the blanks. Number 1. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called a crop. Number 2. The damaged seeds would blanks on top of water. So damaged seeds would float on top of the water. Number 3. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and blanks as well as blanks from the soil are essential. So, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water as well as nutrition from the soil are essential. Number 4. The time duration for Rabi crop is generally from October to March. Number 5. The crop which is sown in rainy season is called Kharif crop. Number 6. The blanks crop requires more amount of water, so it can be cultivated in monsoon. The answer is the paddy crop requires more amount of water, so it can be cultivated in monsoon. Number 7. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called blanks. Answer is it's a tilling. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling. Number 8. Nowadays, ploughing is done by tractor-driven cultivator. Number 9. The leveling of the soil is done with the help of a leveler. Number 10. Wooden plough contains a strong triangular iron strip called ploughshare. Number 11. The supply of water to crops at different time interval is called irrigation. Number 12. The separation of grain seeds from the chaff is called threshing. Now we will see the answer the following questions in one word in the next video part 5. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.